The video you're about to watch, Guard Skills 22, is going to incorporate a lot of drills that we've been working on here lately. You get to see a variety of ball handling drills that you can do individual or solo. You get a chance to see some live retreating out of the traps, escape dribbles, making the pass. You're also going to see some of the clients working on the step back with me, one-on-one, and then they're actually going to go through it live with their partner where they're going to dribble, drive, feel that contact, step away, making the shot. You also get to see various jump shooting drills and just things we've been working on lately. Get out your comfort zone. There you go, good. Break them down. Pick it up good. Then go attack. And shout out to my man, Coach Garvin. Ball hog gloves forces you to handle the ball, get out your comfort zone. It's good for passing the ball, receiving the ball, shooting the ball, and things of that nature right there. So I highly recommend that you get your ball hog gloves. Remember, one workout is a little time to get a lot better balling with Barbara.